You don't need an oven to be able to bake nutritious fish pies for your family. Let me show you how I baked this delicious fish pie without an oven. First, you add 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Add 250 grams of margarine or butter. Add 1 egg and 1 cup of milk or water. Mix together. Do not overmix the dough. Put in the fridge and prep your veggies, your Irish potato, carrots, spring onions, debone your steamed fish. Add your pepper mix to the hot oil. Add thyme, curry, salt and bouillon cubes. Allow to fry. Add your fish, potatoes and carrots. Add little water, allow to cook. Add your spring onions. Add corn flour mixed with water to combine together. Set aside. Prep your pot. Put salt and stove top. Oil your pan. Sprinkle some flour. Put on fire to heat up. Roll out your dough. Put the fish filling and roll. Cut to your desired size. Egg wash and put in the pot. Leave for 25 minutes to bake. Enjoy with your family and come back to thank me later. Bye.